So I'm back. I colored my hair, as you can see. It's now I did color it myself. I think I might go to my hairstylist if I want to make it permanent, because right now his color is like temporary, so it's gonna fade soon. So I might go make it permanent. So yeah. So today I'm gonna do a little unboxing. Well, not unboxing. Well, yeah, an unboxing of my new moon fossils that I got. So here they are. So yeah, wait, just let me post for the thumbnail. Okay. These are such a great color. Okay. I can't hold it. They're such a great color. I have yet to wear these because I don't know. I just haven't found the perfect outfit yet. Though what I'm wearing today would have gone with the outfit. So yeah, here is the shoe. It came with obviously the standard box. I'll show you the side of the box. The side of the I'm sorry, my jacket, it's like, I don't know, it's not cooperating. Here's the box. It just says Nike Dunk High Black Moonfalso 7. So it's in a 5.5 Y / 5.5 men's. Yeah. So that's the box. And then talking about the exterior of the shoe, it's just this colorway, and the bottom part is like an olive color. I do feel like the quality is better than on the grade school pairs, because I have two of the grade school pairs. Quality is not that good on them. I did get these for retail at a local store. I'll leave the link down below. And I did get these the day they dropped because I saw that they posted that they had them, so I ran over to the store and got them. So yeah, I'm so like black and this like earthy toned colors are so trendy right now. Yeah, I don't really know what to say. So yeah, on the tongue, I'm not really that sold on the tongue, because it has like a sparkly, like the Nike logo is like sparkly, which I'm not too sure about. Yeah, I don't know why they made it sparkly. Maybe because it's a woman's pair, excuse me. Yeah, but I am gonna pair this with, I feel like this is gonna go with bike shorts, sweatpants, obviously, cargo pants, leather pants even. Yeah, so these are great. I love them. So yeah, I guess I don't really have a lot to say about them. I will take another thumbnail because I want a thumbnail, right? So yeah, here they are. I actually filmed a pad thai mukbang prior to this, but it was kind of a disaster. I just didn't like how it turned out, so I'm not gonna upload it. I always feel awkward like eating on camera. Like I feel awkward already eating in person in front of people, so it's even more awkward on camera. But yeah, yeah. So yeah, I am loving this new aesthetic, I guess, that I have going on. Like it's the Scree Jack aesthetic. If you guys live in yeah. Yeah, so that is basically all I have to say. Follow me on IG, on TikTok. I'm always posting on there. So yeah, I'm sorry if I look a bit blurry right now. It's like 2 a.m. or something. So yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep now because I probably look dead or something. But yeah, and I still have this pot in for some reason. But yeah, yeah. But I think my hair looks great with my hoop earrings and my chain and just everything and these moon fossils. Yeah, I so shoe pickups. Oh, I also bought 2 pairs of Air Force Ones, white and white. So yeah, because I feel like it's such a basic, good ABG shoe. I also got another pair in black, which I'm gonna wear a lot, I'm sure. Yeah. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. Yeah. I guess that's all I have to say for now. I feel like my speech is getting a bit better. I'm happy about that. Yeah, catch me on IG, on TikTok, here. Yeah, okay guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. I love these shoes. I am gonna do a try on for you guys tomorrow. Not right now because it's already dark outside. But yeah. Okay. You guys. Bye. Call me on my. Wait a second. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you lean, my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Like I said, unhinged. Oh, when that hauling bling, it can only mean one thing. Ever since you left, no wait, ever since you left the city, ooh, then, you know, build a reputation for yourself now. Yeah. How do we, okay, do we prefer my jacket like off the shoulder like this, or do we prefer it like that? And like, how do we like my hair? Do we like it like this, or do we like it like this? Like this. My whole place smells like pad thai right now. I have to like air it out and spray a lot of kitchen spray. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I guess that's all I have to say for now. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I have to go pick up my thrift finds from the dry cleaner. So yeah. Bye. I really need to stop slouching. I feel like I slouch a lot, and I'm like, my posture is just kind of bad. My mom's always calling me out for my posture, so I should probably change my posture. So yeah, okay guys, bye. These look so good. Okay, we see you. Let's look at the underneath part. Ooh, okay. Yeah, those are the shoes for you. Those are the shoes.